Hi students, 12th standard accountancy unit 2 accounts of not for profit organization. Illustration 1, from the following particulars of Tamil Educational Society prepare receipt and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. So what they given here, from the following particulars of Tamil Educational Society, from this particular we have to prepare receipt and payments. Okay, before that, what is meant by receipt and payment? What is the format we have to follow in receipt and payments account? Okay, so receipt and payments accounts is the summary of cash and bank transaction, okay, which is prepared at the end of the financial accounting period, okay, which is prepared for not for profit organization. And receipt and payments account started with the opening balance of cash in hand and cash at bank and ended with the closing balance of cash in hand and cash at bank. All the cash receipts are shown on debit side and all the cash payments will be appear on credit side of this account, okay. It is recorded if cash received or cash paid during the year, and non-cash items will not appear in receipt and payments, okay. So what are they? Such as depreciation, outstanding expenses and accrued income, okay. So let's go to first identify which is goes to receipt side and which will appear on payment side. We already studied about it in 11th standard. Just recall it. All the receipt we entered on, all the income, which means cash receipt, we have entered on debit side, and all the payment, cash payment, will be appear on credit side, okay. So this is the simple format. We already studied about it in 11th standard, okay. So open here, we always started with the opening balance of cash in hand and cash at bank. So opening balance it will be appear on receipt because opening cash is the receipt, okay. Then rent paid means payment, okay. Scholarship given, you have given the scholarship, okay. So it's called payment. Entrance means received means receipt, and building purchased means you paid cash for purchasing building, okay. So this is called payment. Staff salary is an expenses. You paid salary to your staff, so your cash goes out from your hand, okay. So it's a payment. Then subscription received. Received means what? Income. So receipt, okay. So first we have to write the heading, okay. In the books of Tamil Educational Society, receipts and payment account for the year ended, what they given here, you have to enter here, that is 31st March 2019, and we have two sides, debtor, that is debtor side and creditor side, like ledger account, and debtor side you have to write receipt rupees and creditor side you have to write payments and rupees, okay. Then you always started with opening balance of cash in hand or cash at bank, but in this question they have given here cash in hand, opening cash balance, okay, 18,000. You have to write here two balance brought on, always started with word 2 on debit side, always started with the word by on credit side. So debit side you have to write by 2 balance brought on cash in hand 18,000 rupees, and all the receipt we already marked here. Entrance fees received and subscription received we have to enter it on debit side, that means the receipt side. On payment side you have to write rent paid and scholarship given, building purchased, staff salary, okay. As per the format we entered here, we will get the total on debit side. If you get the total on debit side, you will get the balancing figure on credit side, because debit side total is more than that of the credit side. You will get the balance on credit side. As per the format, you will get the total on debit side, that is 3,01,500 rupees. Then you have to add the lesser values and you have to subtract from 3,01,500. You will get the answer, that is balancing figure 15,300. This is called closing balance. You always started with opening balance of